Cryptocurrency is exciting. It's a new way to invest, but with new opportunities come new risks. It's important to keep your crypto safe. Just like you protect your cash and jewelry, you need to protect your digital assets. This guide will teach you the basics of crypto security. You will also learn how to protect yourself. You wouldn't leave your front door unlocked, right? It's about protecting your investments with strong locks and careful decisions. It's not something you do once and forget about. Your future self will thank you. Let's get started on your journey to secure your crypto wealth. Strong passwords are your first line of defense in the crypto world. A strong password is like a sturdy lock on your front door. It makes it much harder for someone to break in. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Two-factor authentication or 2FA adds an extra layer of security. Even if someone has your password, they can't get in without the 2FA code. Enable 2FA on all your crypto accounts. Strong passwords and 2FA significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access. A crypto wallet is like your digital piggy bank. It's where you store your cryptocurrencies. But unlike your physical wallet, there are different types of crypto wallets, each with its own pros and cons. Software wallets are applications that you install on your computer or smartphone. They offer convenience for everyday transactions. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, are physical devices that store your private keys offline. They provide the highest level of security for your crypto. Paper wallets involve printing your private keys on a piece of paper and storing it securely. Choosing the right wallet depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. If you're just starting out, a software wallet might be a good option. If you're holding a significant amount of crypto, a hardware wallet is recommended for maximum security. Remember, regardless of the type of wallet you choose, always keep your device secure and never share your private keys with anyone. Your private keys are like the combination to your crypto vault. They grant access to your funds, so keeping them safe is paramount. Losing your private keys is like losing access to your crypto forever. No one, not even you, can recover them. First, never store your private keys digitally. Avoid taking screenshots, saving them in a document, or emailing them. Hackers can easily access digitally stored keys. Second, use offline methods for storage. Consider writing them down on paper and keeping it in a safe place, or using a dedicated hardware wallet. If you must store your keys digitally, use a password manager. Choose one with a strong reputation and robust security features. Regularly back up your keys. Make multiple copies and store them in separate, secure locations. Treat your private keys with the utmost care and attention. Remember, they are the key to your crypto kingdom. Section 5. Recognizing and avoiding phishing scams. Phishing scams are a common threat in the crypto world. These scams trick you into giving away your private information, like your private keys or exchange login credentials. They often come in the form of fake emails, websites, or social media messages that look legitimate but are designed to steal your information. Be cautious of suspicious emails or messages. Double-check the sender's address and look for any misspellings or grammatical errors. Never click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. They might lead you to fake websites designed to steal your information. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of promises of guaranteed returns or free crypto. These are often red flags of scams. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. By being vigilant and aware of common phishing tactics, you can protect yourself from falling victim to these scams. Remember, your security is your responsibility. Section 6. Staying safe from exchange hacks. Cryptocurrency exchanges are online platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. While they offer convenience, they can also be targets for hackers. Exchange hacks can result in the loss of funds for users. Choose reputable exchanges with a strong security track record. Look for exchanges that offer features like two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of user funds, and a bug bounty program to incentivize security researchers to identify vulnerabilities. Don't keep all your crypto on an exchange. Only keep what you need for active trading. Withdraw your funds to a personal wallet for added security. Regularly review the security settings of your exchange accounts. Ensure that you are using strong passwords and have enabled all available security features. By taking these precautions, You can minimize the risk of being affected by an exchange hack and safeguard your investments. Section 7. Choosing reputable exchanges and services. In the world of crypto, not all exchanges and services are created equal. Choosing reputable platforms is crucial for the safety of your assets. Reputable exchanges have a history of security and reliability. They are transparent about their operations and have a good reputation in the crypto community. Do your research before choosing an exchange. Read reviews, check their security history, and look for any red flags. Reputable exchanges prioritize security. They implement measures like two-factor authentication, cold storage, and regular security audits. Look for exchanges with good customer support. They should have a responsive and helpful support team in case you encounter any issues. Remember, a little research goes a long way in choosing trustworthy platforms that will keep your crypto safe. By choosing reputable exchanges and services, you're adding an extra layer of protection to your crypto investments. Section 8. Conclusion: your crypto, your responsibility. Protecting your crypto assets is essential in the exciting world of digital currencies. By understanding the basics of crypto security, you can navigate this space with confidence. Remember, it's your responsibility to protect your investments. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and choose the right crypto wallet for your needs. Be cautious of phishing scams, stay informed about exchange security, and opt for reputable platforms. Your crypto journey starts with taking control of your security. Stay informed, be proactive, and protect your crypto investments wisely. Remember, knowledge and vigilance are your best defenses in the crypto world.